Hello everybody, my name is Shlok Laxmikant Malphedwar. I will teach you Python from scratch and I will guide you in Python. So let's get started. So why only Python? Python because we can do many things in Python. First we can do machine learning, data science, deep learning, building websites, web scraping, making GUIs, hacking. Building website means we can write backend of a website, web scraping, making GUIs, hacking, and more. Nowadays, we can make application on various operating systems like Windows, iOS, Android, Linux, and that Linux distributions. So now Now we can do many things with Python, but its code will be also hard. Hard, no? You will think like that. But Python is very easy language combined to other language. Python is very easy language combined to other language. So, so for example, so we want to print hello world. If you have worked in C, so you will notice that we want one, two, three, four, 5 lines in C++ to print hello world. But in Python we only need one line of code. So next, uh, we will make some projects. So our first project will be app using Python. Uh, we wi- we can make a app using Python which will run in terminal. So OS in terminal. Second, the house designing app using Python. Jarvis, the last and mega project. After this, we will do some projects, but for this playlist, we will do this project only. So now we will write first line of code. So let's get started with the code now. So we are here, and if we want to write the code, we will come on Google, write Python. Welcome to python.org and go to downloads, latest test downloads or release Python 3. So my it is already installed in my PC. So it says the permissions, but give all the permissions and run for running the Python. First we want to go to idle. First write idle. When you write idle, then app comes on it, Python idle. So click on it. Here you can execute your code. code. So click on File, New File, and you can write your code. First, our first line of code will be print hello world. So we have written our first line of code. So it will print hello world. To run first, we want to save it by Control S or any. So we will save first line of code. Save. So Python's extension is .py now onwards. So now we will run from run option. For running you can use F5 also. So we will use the shortcut key F5. So our program is run, and so I will explain the code now. So it is a function. You may don't know what is the function, but print statement is a function. And for printing any line, we do like this in quote, single quote or double quote to print in string. Now, what is the string? The characters H, E, L, or any character ABC, from ABC to numbers. We will type this it in double quotes. But if we want to print, do sums or do 9 plus 9 multiplied by, so we do like it this, and Control S F5. So 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. You can do like this also. First, we will make give one bracket 9 9 9 multiplied by 9 is equals to 2, and if we want to give after this 9 multiplied by 9, so give comma and write 9 multiplied by 9 and press F5. 5. Okay. I have saved now, and here the answer will come like this. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. So we can enter this and write print hello world and print 9 multiplied by 9 is equals to comma 9 multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied by 9. So like this we can do, and press F5. Okay, we have not saved it. Now it is saved. So we will run this code. We can run this code, and output is first. The output will be hello world. Then downside it will become 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. So thanks now, and this is for today.